Welcome to the Car Truth. 26. Zombie Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's an apocalypse-ready monster reimagined for the future. Designed with inspiration from post-apocalyptic survival themes, this beast combines brute power with jaw-dropping luxury. Built on a military-grade chassis, the zombie comes with an armored exterior, bulletproof glass, and rugged off-road tracks that can tackle any terrain, from urban ruins to desert wastelands. Under the hood, it roars with a 1,000 horsepower hybrid engine, giving it monstrous torque and surprising efficiency. This motorhome isn't just about brute strength, it's smart too. With AI navigation, thermal night vision, and satellite connectivity, it's built to survive and navigate anywhere, anytime. Step inside, and you'll be stunned by the unexpected luxury. The interior is futuristic and tactical. Leather and carbon fiber finishes, LED mood lighting, and reinforced walls. It includes a master suite with a hydraulic bed, touchscreen control panels, and even a hidden weapons locker. The kitchen is compact but modern, with a self-cleaning system and built-in food storage that can last for months. It even features an advanced water purification system and solar-powered energy support. At the rear, there's a deployable drone garage and emergency bike pod, because if the zombie can't go through, you'll fly over. It's designed for both survivalists and luxury adventurers who want the ultimate freedom on wheels. This motorhome isn't just a concept. It's the future of extreme off-grid living. The 2026 Zombie is wild, bold, and unstoppable. Whether you're facing a zombie invasion or just craving the most badass road trip ever, this machine ensures you're always in control. In short, the 2026 Zombie Motorhome is survival, style, and strength, all rolled into one terrifyingly awesome machine.